Hello everyone, this is Vanshika Tainwala, legal intern on the Lexis and Company for the month of June, and today in this video I will be talking about the case of Kamal Hassan versus Adhinathan Sundaram 2017. So in this case on 17th June 2020, the Madras High Court held that criticism is a democratic right and it is a part and parcel of the free society, and the Madras High Court quashed the case against the Kamal Hassan for the Mahabharat comment. So basically this case evolves around that criticism is not only the human right, but it is a democratic right upon which the democracy thrives and the society evolves to a new desired polity. So the Madras High Court last month quashed the criminal case against the actor Kamal Hassan, and he is also a politician. Kamal Hassan made a comment over the Mahabharata in the year 2017. So the bench of Justice Elangovan specifically observed that criticism is the part and parcel of the free society. So the matter before the court was that a private complainant alleged that he watched a program in March 2017 on the Puthiya Talai Murai TV channel, where the host of this show put a specific question on the increasing violence against the women in India, more particularly against the women in the sign field, to Kamal Hassan. So in response to this question, it was alleged that the Hassan made a deliberate comment by drawing Hindu epic Mahabharata by stating that nothing is surprising about the increasing violence on the women in the country, which reveres Mahabharata, which depicts a woman being used as a collateral during the gambling. So he alleged that the comment which was made by the accused insulted Hindu epic Mahabharata, not only Hindus but also hurt his personal religious sentiments, and thus he claimed that the accused committed the offence which is punishable under section 298 of the IPC. So the inspector of the police made an inquiry into the allegations, and it was concluded that the offence under section 298 of the IPC, it was not attracted, and since the words spoken by the accused were only general in nature and not something specific. However, the trial court chose to examine the complainant and one witness on this side and took cognizance of the offence under punishable section 298 of IPC and issued summons against the petitioner Hassan. So the court observed that there was a specific question by the anchor to know about Hassan's comments about the increasing violence against the women in a country, and the comment which he made was connecting to the insult of the women today to that have been committed in the era of Mahabharata. So importantly, the court basically observed that the court finds nothing insulting in it which hurts the religious feelings of anyone. Day and day out in the public platforms, in homes and indoors, we find a number of comments over the incidents depicted in literature, epics and other works in which the drawing analogy are more common than not. So the court added that it is a basic right of everyone to make comment and draw analogies. By that process, only arts, literature and fine arts are developing. No citizen got any right to stall the process of fellow citizen simply because he thinks it is wrong. So a wrong may be right in one's own thought, but that will not give any rise of cause of action to another in order to initiate the criminal prosecution. The court noted that attracting section 298 of the IPC, there must be intentional insult, and in that Hassan's conduct there was no intention while answering such query. So the court added that if at all should be taken only as a casual communication that took place between the anchor and the petitioner hearing. So lastly, the court held that after noting the criticism and drawing analogies from the epics or literary works are not uncommon in a free society, and that Hassan had not exceeded the freedom of speech and expression which was conferred upon him, and the court quashed the private complaint. So this case was the order of the case was made on 21st May 2021 before the Madras High Court. The name of the case is Kamal Hassan at Partha Sarathi. He was the petitioner or the sole accused versus Adhanitha Sundaram, the respondent or complainant. So it was filed before the Judicial Magistrate of Vellore, and for the petitioner the lawyers were Raghuvaran Gopalan, and for the respondent Shankara Pandian and S. Valani Velutham. So it was asked for the for the quashment of the proceedings which were registered on the Judicial Magistrate Vellore. So this was all about the case where the court has very clearly, Madras High Court has very clearly held that the criticism is a democratic right and it comes with the evolvement of the free society, and everyone has the right to speak, and there should be intention of speaking something wrong. So the Kamal Hassan of criminal case was quashed away by the Madras High Court. So I think that you understood this case. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for listening.